પણ આગળ વધ્યા અને તમને સારા પરિણામો આજે જોવા મળ્યા છે સોનાટા સોફ્ટવેરના અને સ્ટોકમાં ડેફિનેટલી એક્શન પણ તમને પોઝિટિવિટી સાથેનું છે. આપણે મેનેજમેન્ટ સાથે ચર્ચા કરી લઈએ. સોનાટા સોफ्टवेयर CFO जगन्नाथन चक्रवर्ती आपकी साथ जोड़ा रहा है. जगन्नाथन सर, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका CNBC बाजार पर. एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गुड मॉर्निंग. वेल रिसीव्ड नंबर्स एंड I mean, the investors are happy, clearly it seems. So what helped? How do you see this quarter, and how have we integrated Quant after the investment?
As mentioned by us, thanks for this opportunity to CNBC team, and this is really nice to speak to our investors early in the morning. As mentioned by us earlier, our pipeline and the order book has been very, very strong for the last 2-3 quarters. We focused on building the basics, that is the pipeline and order book. This has actually helped us to continue in this phase also. The large deals what we have got earlier last quarter, we mentioned that there is a transition going on, and hence there was an impact on our margin. This time we were able to close the largest deal, that $160 million deal which we signed in March. That transition we were able to complete in this quarter, and hence we were able to pull back the amount of margin out of that. Apart from it, our utilization also went up during this quarter. So this is two reasons why our margin expanded in this quarter, and revenue growth has been strong. So we continue to be positive on the markets, what is present now. And as mentioned, Sonata is well placed to capitalize on this market, and we think that we will be able to do well in the coming quarters also.
Definitely, sir. We have seen some buzz around the project ramp up being slow. How are you looking at things right now, and what is the headcount situation at Sonata?
We will continue. We are not going to specifically focus on the headcount optimization and other things, but we are continuing to see a very, very positive development. So we see the market deal closures. We are seeing a positive momentum in that, and this will be a great opportunity for companies like Sonata to expand our footprint in the market at present. So we are confident. We are not changing the guidelines. We said earlier in the beginning of the year, we said we will be in the high teens growth for the year, and we continue to maintain that momentum. In your last question, you asked about the Quant integration. We are
Yes, sir.
It's fully integrated at present, and our go-to market is completely integrated. So this helps us to leverage in a lot of new deals. You will in the future, whenever we are able to cross-sell, more large deal comes in, we will be able to reflect that integration more strongly. But at the ground level, your go-to-market is completely integrated, and the solutioning is also integrated. We are able to start cross-selling both customers. So there is a very, very strong positive momentum in this integration.
Definitely, sir. So once that is done, what kind of margins can we expect after the proper integration and the reflection on the balance sheet, sir? Jagannath sir, what kind of margins are you expecting post? Yes, sir.
We are actually mentioned that we will be in the low 20s EBITDA margin without other income and forex. We continue to maintain it. What happens is there is a lot of opportunities both in Microsoft Fabric as well as in AI. We will continue to invest it. For this quarter, we were not able to recoup the people. There was attrition was 16%. We were not able to recoup the AI resources. So hence, this will be continue to be focus area for us. And next quarter, probably we'll be able to add those people, because this is a great opportunity. Technology, which has put us in a very, very good spot, which we can leverage for the future growth in both this area. So we will not reduce the investments on those things, and also we will continue to invest on the front-end team, front-end technology team as well as sales team, so that our growth momentum is maintained for the next couple of quarters. So this focus will be there. We will continue to focus on low 20s EBITDA margin, and as promised earlier, we will maintain that. That's an outlook for margin.
Definitely, sir. Last question will be on the domestic business. We have seen that you have almost maintained all the larger deals and players, your clients. How are you looking at the domestic business going forward in the second half?
There are challenges in the domestic business because the IT field, which is a major customer for us, there is a little bit of constraint on those counts. However, we don't see a larger challenges in any of these things. This quarter, traditionally also, second quarter is a little soft quarter for us, and because third quarter will be the major main quarter for this business, second quarter is little soft always. But we don't see any major trend reversal. It is looking good. There can be some small roadblocks in this process. However, we are very, very confident of overcoming all these things, and we continue to be positive on domestic business.
डेफिनेटली इन सारे मुद्दों पर नजर रहेगी। जगन्नाथन सर, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए और ये सारी जानकारी देने के लिए। थैंक यू।
Thank you. Thank you.
तो આપણે વાત કરી